In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to embed Eventbrite events on your Wix website using the Wix App Market. This is the easiest way to do it, and it's what most Wix users prefer. First, we begin by finding the right app for our needs. To do this, you will need to access your Wix editor. Once you're there, navigate to the Wix App Market. In the search box of this market, type in Eventbrite Ticket App. This is the application we're looking for, which will allow us to embed our preferred Eventbrite events right onto our Wix website. After you've successfully located the Eventbrite Ticket App, the next step is to add this application to your Wix site. To achieve this, there's a button saying Add to Site. Click that button to initiate the installation process for the app. With a successful installation, we're well on our way to embedding our Eventbrite events. Next up, we need to find your event URL so we can embed the precise thing we want. To do this, you need to log in to your Eventbrite account. Once you're logged in, find the page for the event you'd like to embed on your Wix site. With the event page open, you should be able to see the URL in your browser's address bar. You will need to copy this URL, as it will be necessary in the next step. Now it's time to connect your Eventbrite event with your Wix website. Do this by going back to your Wix editor and selecting the Eventbrite Ticket App that you installed earlier. Within the settings of this application, you will find a field where you can paste your copied event URL. Paste that URL here, and your Eventbrite event should now appear on your Wix site. As a final touch, we can customize how the event appears on our site. Still in the settings of the Eventbrite Ticket App on your Wix editor, choose how you'd like the event to be viewed. You can decide to display it in a compact view or in full. You can also customize the color of the button, which visitors will click to access the event. By following these steps, you've successfully added an Eventbrite event to your Wix website. You now have the power to easily embed any events to make your site more dynamic and engaging for all your visitors. Join me again next time for more insightful tutorials.